Before we begin, can you quickly tell me in just 5 seconds, what's the cube root of 42,875? I'm guessing most of you couldn't solve it that fast, right? But after watching this video, that will no longer be the case. You'll be able to find cube roots of any perfect cube in seconds, faster than a calculator. Here's the secret. You just need to memorize the cubes of numbers from 0 to 9. Like this. Now look carefully at the last digits of these cubes. You will be noticing that each cube ends in a different digit. That's the key to unlocking this trick. A simple way to remember this is by focusing on the numbers 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, and 9. The last digit is the same as the numbers. For the numbers 2 and 8, as well as 3 and 7, the last digit is flipped, meaning 2 pairs with 8 and 3 pairs with 7, and vice versa. Let's start with a simple example. What's the cube root of 1,331? The first thing you need to do is look at the last digit, which is 1. Now from this sheet, find out which cube root ends with 1. It is 1 itself. Write 1 here. That means the last digit of our cube root is 1. Now the next step is to cross out the last 3 digits like this. We're left with 1. Finally, again from this sheet, we want a cube that is just less than or equal to 1. It is 1 again. So write down 1 here. That's it. The final answer is 11. Super quick, right? Let's try another one. What's the cube root of 4,913? First, focus on the last digit of this number, which is 3. From our chart, which cube ends in 3? It is 7 cubed, so write down 7 here. Then, cut off the last 3 digits, and we're left with 4. And lastly, from the chart again, which cube is less than or equal to 4? That's 1 cubed. Write down here. Boom! The cube root of 4,913 is 17. That was fast. Ready for another example? Let's find the cube root of 24,389. The last digit here is 9. From the cube list, only 9 cubed ends with 9. So the last digit is 9. Now cross out the last 3 digits. We're left with 24. From the list again, find the cube that's closest to 24. That's 2 cubed, so we take 2. Put it all together, and our answer is 29. That was lightning fast, wasn't it? Now let's level up and find the cube root of 636,056. We'll apply the same steps. First, find the last digit. It's 6. From our cube chart, we know that 6 cubed ends in 6. So write down 6 here. Next, chop off the last 3 digits. We're left with 636. Which cube is just under 636? Let's check. It is 8 cubed equals 512. So write 8 here. And our answer is ready. It is 86. We just nailed it. Let's check out the last one. The cube root of 970,299. The number ends in 9. From our chart, only 9 cubed ends with 9. That means the last digit of our cube root is 9. Now, remove the last 3 digits. We have 970 left. By checking the chart again, which cube is less than or equal to 970? That's 9 cubed equals 729. So we stick with 9. And there it is. The cube root of 970,299 is 99. See how this method works even for big numbers. Great! Now you've learned a wonderful trick to find the cube root of a perfect cube in seconds. Let's test you again. Remember that number I asked about at the beginning? 42,875? Go ahead, apply the trick, and drop your answer in the comments. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more math magic. Thanks for watching. See you on the next trick.